What I want to show you is the project that I'm doing right now while I wait to build the engine is the structure of the door. This is kind of a breakdown of the things that come out from inside the door. This is the door regulator right here. This is the window regulator. This is what actuates the window and glass up and down. What we had to do is actually take that out because we needed to do the wiring and we had an issue with the motor that attaches to it. Fortunately, we have brand new motors. I'm able to take that motor and I'll incorporate it right onto that window regulator so we have nice smooth up and down. Another thing that we have is this is the vent window, or the wind wing as they call them sometimes. What happens is the rubber will deteriorate and the channel. So we have new kits that we can put in there. But something that I want to point out as I'm disassembling this, and you'll see me putting it back together, is something specific to the convertible on these years. What's interesting is this one on this car was not a convertible. This had a pointy top on it. Now that would be for your hard tops. This one right here, for a convertible, will have a flat top on there. So what we're going to do is put the rubber into this channel and replace it with the rest of the unit here. So connecting to the window regulator is the window frame. And it actually comes in two pieces and the glass is available. We're lucky this is an original one that is in pretty good condition. I'm going to restore and shine up. But a lot of times they're really rusty. They like to rust out right here. Or the biggest thing is the glass breaks, or you get that white or grain where the laminating is starting to separate. So from Caddy Daddy, you can get new glass for your Cadillac and the lower, which connects, and the upper frame. So that is available. So let's go and look at that door. Now you get to see the passenger door now. It's completely stripped. This is a shell other than the latching mechanism, which I've already replaced, and actually replaced the door handle too. Door handle was pitted, and I was able to get in there by taking the window out and the regulator, which I have to replace. Now I can go in and check all the wiring. And that's a big thing. It might be ominous to you, but the thing about it is just taking time. And I'll pull out, these are all the pieces that go to all the units that work in the door. And so what we have is, this goes to the window regulator motor. Then you have this, which actuates to the locks. You also have vacuum tubes inside there because the locks on this particular model worked off of vacuum. So we're going to hook those guys up with a little modulator, which is inside the door also. So we'll drop the vent window in. We're going to incorporate the vent window motor because this one did have power vent windows. Your Cadillac may not, but this was an Eldorado. One thing in these vehicles too is an option to have a passenger side view mirror. This particular one didn't have it, but I'm going to add it. Another really nice addition when you're doing your interior in these doors is the door sill plates. They get beat up, and actually this vehicle didn't have the proper ones. So we have them, and I just like the look of it. It's a nice piece. It's one of the first things you see when you open the door. It has the proper Cadillac emblem, and these things fit great, and they go in the existing holes, and they kind of finish everything off. So, still going to work on the doors, so I'm actually going to pull those off right now, but they go just with the standard screws and are available.
Caddy Daddy Presents, it's all about giving back. Please enjoy the video of the Boys and Girls Clubs of St. Helena and Calistoga. You can donate by clicking the link in the video description.